Got a frantic call this morning about, hello, plumber, about their, ooh, now I see why they were frantic. Oh man, holy cow, she wasn't kidding. She was yelling at me. I was like, okay, well, I'm coming. Holy cow, dude. Oh, no. That is so not good, dude. Oof. Main line. This is sewage. This is all sewage water. Holy cow. It's in the rooms. Oof. Oof. Wow. All right, I gotta call the owner real quick. So this is the unit next door to the one I was just in. And they also are flooding. Okay. Or not flooding, but backed up. All right, I got
another thing. This see how I plugged that piece up right here?
This one?
So this kitchen sink used to come up filled with this nasty gunky water, and it would come out onto the floors the same way when nobody was home. Nobody would be doing anything. And then so they would have to take that piece off, and then all the stuff would start coming out of here. But they fixed that pipe. See,
you got some suds in there.
Yeah, it's I remember though they did a big thing. They went through this wall, and then they went through the floors, like just a lot of stuff. I don't know. Sorry, I don't know.
No. You're fine. I'm just doing this for the sake of the owner. So is there a clean out anywhere or no?
I don't even know what that means.
Oh, okay. Where did they snake it last time? Because it definitely wasn't from that.
I don't know. I have no idea. I don't even know what you mean.
Okay, I'm waiting for the owner to call me back. So there's a clean out in the back of the building here that the sewer runs to the back right here, but I don't think it's the building that's backed up. I think it's just the front two units here. Now, how the heck am I gonna get that no-hub band off of there? Or not no-hub band, but look. You gotta be kidding me. How am I gonna get that off of there? I'm gonna have to cut that off. Okay, so this is the clean out in the back, and I think the stoppage is not for the whole building, but rather just the first two units. So I'm pretty sure. So you have 1, 2, and or actually 1, 2, 3. So the stoppage is going to be somewhere between the front unit and somewhere in between these two units, because I went into his unit and everything's fine. So I'm going to go into the clean unit and hello, I'm going to come in. I'm going to snake it from your bathroom. Thank you. So we'll pull his toilet because there's no other clean outs unless Unless there's one up here, which I didn't see. I don't know. I can't see. I can't see over there. I might have to climb this fence just to check. I want to be certain that there's no cleanouts before I pull this guy's friggin' toilet and start with the K60 inside of his unit. I don't see any cleanouts up here though. I mean, I guess I could try to do it from there, but I'd rather not. Of course, when I check to make sure the water's off, the freaking look at that. That's sketchy. The push in on it. You gotta be freaking kidding me, dude. Water level's too high. So okay, I can't pull the toilet. Okay, I can't get a hold of the owner, so what I'm gonna do is at least try it from here. I'm gonna at least try it and see if I can't get this to go down. Or maybe I should do this one because that one's 2-inch. I don't know. What if I could get it down this 1.5 inch? Probably not, huh? 2-inch, maybe. It's tough. It's really tough. I could try using this. Which one? Let's see. This one. Let's give it a shot. See if it works. There we go. Yeah, it doesn't want to spin. Yeah, this ain't gonna work, man. Okay, I got it. It's going down. This is crazy. I mean, it's going down. It's going down. There you go. It's draining. There you go. Now the old guy's tub next door hasn't really gone down, but it's likely because there is poop, toilet paper in the tub trap. Freaking nightmare, dude. So this guy's not draining, but it's because I think his trap is So his trap is just blocked. I gotta replace that angle stop. Owner's not calling me back, not answering. So I don't know. All right, I got it.
Okay.
Not quite done yet, but the main's open. A little bit of roots. So here's the thing. Here's the thing. For me to properly clean this drain and get a camera in there and descaling chains if necessary, I need a minimum 3-inch clean out. So, you know, trying to snake this through a 2-inch clean out is just not ideal. And that's the fact of the matter. Okay. Now we'll snake this out for him. Alright, still not. So maybe it's just. Might just be in there. Keep going. It's feeding in very easily. I mean, this is going in so easy. There you go. Now it's going. I don't know if that was from what I did with the screwdriver, or if it's from the cable. It's going down now. Ugh. I got the building water off, and I'm going to change his angle stop. And come on, guy. All this water stopped. I don't know why this one keeps going. Look at that. They have one of those Danco. These are used for when the toilet flange is ultra low. Not for when the toilet flange is literally perfect. This is perfect. Slightly above the finished floor. Golly. What the heck are these people doing over here? I need to throw all that away. Ferro Blaster's cool and all, but every time I use it, the frickin' ferrules get stuck on here. And if you can't get them off, you can't use it. So you have to take off this stupid thing right here, which is just a pain in the freaking butthole, dude. Especially when you're in a hurry like I am. I don't know. You gotta take this stupid freaking thing off, and it's just, I don't know, dude. I had to cut it off with a an angle little multi-tool once, or not multi-tool, but it's just like, I thought this thing was supposed to be faster, but you gotta take this off and then pop it out like that, and then still I can't get it off. I mean, it really is not, it's not a see, it's just, this is freaking ridiculous. I do not recommend the Ferrule Blaster, to be honest with you. I can't get it off. So now I gotta get my little cutter tool. I can't get it off. It's extremely hard to pull, and then, oh, what do you know? Ferrule's stuck on there again. And that one's, it's just stupid. This copper is way too deformed. I gotta cut that. Okay, there you go. Got a new supply hose. Throw that one away. And then, all right, let's camera this, or at least try. Okay, so this is not gonna be possible. The camera, you know, trying to get, the camera just doesn't want to push because there's a, I don't know, but I don't know. Basically, it's not going to be possible to descale there we go. Now I'm getting it to go. It's just shit. Look, it's all, see the shelving? Oh, it's rotted out on the bottom right there. Oh, it's rotted out right there. See it? It's completely rotted out on the bottom. See it holding water there? Yeah. Okay, I didn't show this, but I had to replace the handle and the fill valve. For whatever reason, it just stopped working, but that's it.